Macro shot of a heavily cracked, grimy flagship smartphone lying on a clean blue magnetic repair mat. Using a thin metal pry tool and a heat gun to carefully lift the shattered glass back panel. Close-up of a pair of tweezers removing tiny shards of glass and clumps of dust from the internal components. Placing the metal frame and buttons into a stainless steel ultrasonic cleaner filled with translucent blue solution. Removing the motherboard with a tiny screwdriver, showing high-detail copper heat pipes.
A mechanical polishing wheel buffing the scratched camera lens cover until it shines.
Sanding the dented aluminum frame with high-grit sandpaper to create a smooth surface for painting.
Applying thin green masking tape over the speaker grills and charging port. An airbrush spraying a deep, high-gloss metallic emerald paint onto the phone frame. Peeling the protective plastic film off a brand new OLED display panel.
Applying precision adhesive strips to the edges of the newly painted frame.
Snapping the delicate ribbon cables of the new screen back onto the motherboard. Snapping the delicate ribbon cables of the new screen back onto the motherboard.
Dropping a brand new shiny silver battery into the center of the frame.
Using a microfiber cloth to wipe away a single fingerprint from the flawless back glass.
The smartphone screen lights up with a vibrant logo, looking better than the day it was first bought.